Lesson 3 is about multiplication of integers or multiplying integers. There are also two rules to follow. Rule number 1, the sign of the product of the integers with the same sign is positive. Examples. Letter A, positive 8. By the way, we will not use, we can still use. Because the letter X is usually used as variable, which you will learn later on. But this time, since there's no variable yet, we can still use. Okay, positive 8 times positive 2. So, the factors have the same sign. The sign, according to the rule, the sign of the product of the integers with the same sign is positive. So, multiply first the numbers. 8 times 2 is 16. Since both signs are positive, they are the same, so the sign of the product is positive. Okay, letter B. If I have positive 12 times positive 4, okay, multiply the numbers. 12 times 4 is 48. Since the signs are the same, take that sign positive. So our product is positive 48. Let's have letter C. If I have negative 8 times negative 2, okay, multiply the numbers, 16. But the signs are the same. So the sign of the product is also positive. Same as example A and B. Letter D, example. Negative 12 times negative 4. Multiply the numbers, 12 and 4, you have 48. But the signs are the same. According to the rule, the product should be positive. Do you understand my examples following rule number 1? Okay, very good. Let's have now rule number 2. For rule number 2, the sign of the product of the integers with different signs, okay, signs is negative. Okay, let's have example. Examples. Letter A. If I have negative 8 times positive 2, multiply the numbers. 8 times 2 is 16. But rule number 2, the signs of the numbers of the integers are different. The product should have negative, should be negative. Letter B. Positive 12 times negative 4. Multiply the numbers. 12 times 4 is 48. Different signs. Okay, the numbers have different signs. The factors have different signs. The product should take negative. Letter C. I have positive 8 times negative 2. Multiply the integers or the numbers. We have 16. Rule number 2, it says the product should be negative. Letter D example. Negative 12 times positive 4. Multiply the numbers. 12 times 4 is 48. Rule number 2 says the product should be negative. Easy to understand. It's very easy to remember. If the signs of the two factors are the same, the product should be positive. Rule number 2 says that if the signs of the numbers or of the integers are different, the sign of the product is a negative. So it's so easy to remember. Okay? Yes, very good.